Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to enable reminders on Claude AI. So let's get started. First, open Claude, then tap the three-line menu in the top left corner, then tap your profile icon at the top so it will open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and look for permissions. Select it. So here you'll see options for location, calendar, and reminders. So let's tap on reminders. So this is the most important step. As you can see, both read axis and write axis may be set to as each time. While this works, it is not the ideal setup. So to fully enable reminders, change both read axis and write axis to always. So set it to always, just like so. So this allows Claude to create and edit reminders instantly without requesting permission every time, making the experience much smoother in the background. Once that's done, go back to the main screen and let's tap the prompt box. So you can try a command like remind me to eat at 8 p.m. or you can say remind me to go to the gym tomorrow and then send it. So if everything is configured correctly, Claude should create the reminder without asking for additional confirmation. So as you can see, it says here, reminder set for tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Go to the gym. So click open in reminders and make sure you have reminders installed to your phone. If not, go ahead and install it. So click on open, click continue, click on allow, and you should see your reminders in here. And that's basically it. So your Claude reminders are now fully enabled and ready to use. So if your reminders were already working, you're not missing anything. So switching to always simply makes the process faster and more seamless. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.